Imagine tapping into an $81 billion permanent traffic network. This isn't some far-off dream. It's a reality made possible by Snappy Link, the revolutionary app that's changing the game for marketers everywhere. Snappy Link isn't just any app. It's a traffic magnet that pulls in unlimited free buyer traffic to any link. It's the end of costly ads, the end of chasing traffic, and the end of inconsistent results. Instead, Snappy Link offers a steady stream of traffic that translates into passive sales and upfront payments. What if you're not a tech whiz? No problem. Snappy Link's interface is so user-friendly, anyone can use it. And it's not just about dominating one platform. Whether it's Warrior Plus, ClickBank, JVZoo, Shopify, Amazon, Digistore24, or eBay, Snappy Link has got you covered. In the world of online marketing, Snappy Link is your passport to a new wave of passive income. Upfront payments and daily traffic pave the way for passive sales that work on autopilot. Now imagine being part of the next biggest wealth transfer. Snappy Link is offering access at an unbeatable one-time price. And that's not all. They're throwing in 5 exclusive money-making bonuses. To top it all off, Snappy Link comes with a full 365-day risk-free guarantee. If you're not satisfied, you don't just get your money back. You get an extra $300. But the clock is ticking on this amazing deal. If you want to lock in your special discount for instant access to Snappy Link, you need to act now. And as a cherry on top, you'll get VIP access to the Double Your Traffic PermaSuite collections worth over $1,997. Absolutely free. So why wait? Click that buy button now for instant access to Snappy Link. Your journey to unlimited traffic and passive income starts here.